Hey, it's Andrew Walker here from the SA Property Investors Network, and very shortly myself and my team will be coming to Durban. On the Friday night we'll be doing some informal networking. Who's in Durban, who wants to network, who's interested in property investment. But I'm here to talk about the one-day workshop that myself and my team will be putting on for you. If you sat there and you're interested in knowing how do you set up a profitable property business with regards to what structure should you be buying in, how do we pay less tax? And then start going into the creative ways of financing, ladies and gents. Yes, there is private finance, and there's banks out there like Tough Business Partners, Sentinel Home, all the different banks. So we'll be talking around the financing, the funding solutions of property investment, as well as running through scenarios. What is your ideal strategy? Is it student accommodation? Do you want to get into Airbnb out there in Durban? Do you want to flip properties or become a developer? So this is a full one-day workshop on Saturday with myself and my team. Whether you are starting out in property or you're an existing property investor, I've been running these workshops for years, and we always get great success as a result of these workshops. So if you're interested, click the link below or check out the website for more information, and I will see you in Durban soon.